In this clip, we'll be taking a look at 3 quick and easy ways to add individual items to your Zotero library. First, we'll use the magic wand function, which is the icon in the middle of the Zotero window. If you click this, you can see the types of unique identifiers it will accept. For this example, we'll be using a DOI from an article, which I already have copied and ready to paste. When we paste it in and hit enter, the bar turns green, and then we get the full citation information. Alternatively, if you already have the PDF of the article downloaded, you can simply drag and drop it into the Zotero window like this. As this was the same article as the one with the DOI, it pulled in all the same citation information, and the PDF is also saved in our library as well. Lastly, you can also add items manually with the green plus sign icon next to the magic wand. If you click this, you will have some options in terms of what you want to add to your library. In this case, we'll do journal article. This changes the right-hand side of the Zotero window. You're now free to manually type in or paste any citation information into these specific fields.